Okay, YouTubers, this is a little camping series here. Done a couple of videos, one on replacing a hydraulic piston for a slide out, and now this one here is for the hot water heater and to clean the anode. So I only got one hand here, so I'm going to do my best to show you. You need 1 1/16 socket. I'll show you that there. That's the one when it's stuck on a ratchet, and that will fit this here. I've already done this, so I'm kind of gonna just go over it again. And so you should do this about at least one camping season a year, you know. And so here's the anode. What this does is it protects the tank inside from rusting, and it's a very expensive thing to have to replace. So this here looks really pretty good because I cleaned it up, but I'll show you what the lime deposits and stuff like right there. You can see a little bit that I didn't get. Well, this might get all real bumpy and look pretty slimy and gross. What you do is you use one of these, a little sponge sander, and just keep moving it around in circles around the anode until it cleans up. The other thing too is that you want to remove, if there is, any Teflon tape and put new Teflon tape. So once you get that in here, you fit it by hand. One other thing, let's pull this back out. What I also did is I built pressure up and I took it out and flushed it out. I also, this little tool here is a magnet. It comes on a handle. It extends. You get it at Walmart for a couple of bucks. What I did is I stuck that inside here all along the wall, inside the tank. I run it all inside the wall here, and I pull it out, and you're not going to believe what you're going to find. You're going to find a lot of, well, you can see if I get it unstuck from here, pieces of metal. It's part of your tank actually decaying inside. Without the anode, this device here, it'd be a lot worse. So it's always good to get that metal out too. So using a magnet, like a telescopic magnet like this works great. You can get a lot of that stuff out. And so I'll come back, I'll show you, I'll button it up, and we'll see you when you get back. Okay, so now we're back, and I think I accidentally made a mistake, and I said the lime deposit on the anode, actually it's calcium. I haven't done this in a while, and it's kind of slipped my mind. So now I cleaned everything up. I put the plug back in just loosely, and then I put the water, filled it up, and now I'm going to release some water pressure to get any other sediments that might be still in there. So this gets pretty, you do this pretty quickly because you'll get water all over the place. And here we go. As you can see, there's the water. It's coming out, it's draining out. Takes any other sediments there, and that should take care of that. Okay, now I got the ratchet here with an extension, and now I'm going to sock this up. And forgive me with that, someone's mowing their lawn, so there's a lot of background noise. So you want to get this pretty damn tight. Not too tight where you're going to strip it out, but tight, snug enough you can feel it to where it stops, and that would be good.